Howdy Bulldogs, it's Elena yet again. This time I'm gonna teach you how to make your own lotion bars. This is a super simple recipe and it can be really helpful for coming up with some homemade Christmas gifts or Hanukkah gifts or any other type of gift. First, you are going to need beeswax. You are going to need a cup of that, a cup of coconut oil, and a cup of either shea butter or a cup of cocoa butter. You're going to throw all those ingredients into a pot here, which is situated underneath another pot, like in our candle making video. And you're going to throw that on high heat until it's all melted. You're going to make sure nothing burns, so maybe high to medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or however long it takes. You are also going to need a mold, and you're also going to need essential oils. So after all of the oils are melted together, they're going to go into a mold, and once they're in the mold, you could add some essential oils or you could add some vitamin E if you choose to. You can also use this recipe as a base for any other ways of experimenting with skincare. Some people make some menthol lotion bars to help with pain relief, or lavender to help with stress, or peppermint to help with alertness. So you could get really creative if you feel like it, or you could just make some really, really nice skincare products for yourself.